Quarantine is crazy, y'all. You gotta get talented on things you never thought you would do. So I'm bringing you live a DIY, do-it-yourself dip powder nail tutorial. And I'm terrified. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. We're not in my kitchen today. We're in a different area of my house because all we have is areas of our house in quarantine. And I poured myself a cocktail because I really need it for what we're doing today. Today is for the ladies. Sorry, gentlemen, but we're focusing on something that a lot of people have written me about, and that's nails. What are we gonna do in quarantine with these crazy nails that are growing out? If I didn't have any polish or dip powder, it'd be okay. I would just go au naturel. But right now, I have dip powder. That has lasted quite a while, so I'm happy about that, but it's at 5-6 weeks. That's disgusting. They have grown out like crazy, so I can't go to my guy. I can't say, hey, would you mind fixing it? And I go to a guy, I don't go to a girl now. In New York, the best nail salon, and he has my back. I can't go though and ask him for a touch-up. I have to do it myself. I am so terrified because unlike some people who have done their own nails in the past, I have not. I tried my nails once, and I would like to say I was a 5-year-old, and that's why I got it all over my hands, but I was probably a 25-year-old, and I got more on my hands than my nail, and I vowed to never do my own nails again. Ever. Oh my God, never do my nails again, but here I am, having to do it. That's why I have a cocktail, and I have all my supplies ready to go, and for the first time ever, for the first time in forever, I'm going to do it and do it on camera for you guys. So it's either gonna turn out amazing or really bad. For now, these have to get fixed up. And as you ladies know, it takes forever for us to find someone we trust to handle our nails. Just like tan or getting your hair done, whatever it is, you have to know and trust your nail technician. And I finally grew that bond. I had an amazing gal in LA. She used to do my nails. She did them so well, I actually called her doctor because she saved my life. Well, at least saved my nails, and I got a boyfriend, in case you were wondering. And here in New York, I got the best guy, but now I gotta remember somehow everything that they did and bring it home, bring it to life. I'm bringing the nail salon to my house in quarantine. So enough chit chat, let's get to work. I wanna show you guys so then you don't have to fast forward and worry too much about getting to the meat of the matter, the meat of the sandwich, what would you call it? Let's just get to it, shall we? So I'm gonna show you guys the products I'm using today and get to work on these crazy nails. Okay, I want you guys to take a look at everything here that's needed to do your own nails. I want you to take a good look at what's needed to do your own nails. Okay, anyway, enough humor, let's get to the tutorial. All right, removal of the dip powder, step 1. Hack number 1, we're gonna take this Mineral Fusion, which is like a natural nail polish remover, and put about 2 tablespoons inside of the Ziploc, okay? After we've done that, we're gonna stick our hand in and then put it inside of the warm water and see if it starts to take it off. Whew, don't breathe it in, I'm gonna be high off of this, oh my God. Okay, so here we go. We have the acetone, our nails, and now we're gonna put it inside here, okay? And now we're gonna put it inside of the warm water. And let's see if this does the trick, y'all. We're gonna move our fingers around a little bit. It's supposed to take it off right away, but let's see if that's true. Okay, this is where we are right now. We still have a fair amount on, so I'm gonna try hack number 2, okay? So let's try this hack on the other hand, or we can even try it. Yep, let's try it here. So now we're gonna use this extra strength, okay? And we're gonna put this and soak the pad. And now we're gonna take this and cover our hand and put it in the bag. And we use this to soak it around. Hey guys, I'm really not having luck with the hacks. There's always option 3, which is kind of how more the nail salons do it. And we get in our cotton swab, we take our acetone, and we use these clips. So I'm gonna try that next as my 3rd way that you could remove your dip powder. I'm gonna get a nice amount soaked, put it on my finger, and then clip this little thing on. So this is a little bit easier for me, for my personality. I don't even have to cut these. I'm just putting them on the way they are. Hey guys, so this is where I'm at right now with the removal. The hacks still are taking a while, but I'm about 5-7 minutes into removing these very strong dip powders. So now I'm gonna continue.
3 hours later.
Hey y'all, so I would like to tell you that things are smooth in here, but that would be a frickin' lie. I'm not a nail technician, I'm not a nail pro, I don't know what the F I'm doing, and I'm gonna be honest with you about it because I've seen other YouTube DIY, do-it-yourself dip powder nail tutorials, and they make it look easy. But you know what? I don't have a degree in nails, and it's not easy at all. I'm covered in this with the acetone and the smells. I'm getting really high off of it. That's the only quality good part about it. I got Dan here helping me. Thank God. Say hi, Dan.
Yo, 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 yo.
Okay, let's go. He helped me get the other hands because it's really hard to clip all of these suckers on. So you might need some help. And if you don't have a help and your dog doesn't have thumbs, it's not gonna really help you. But do your best. Again, there are hacks that you can dip your hand into a Ziploc and then put it inside the warm water. The hack didn't really work for me. It did a little bit, but I'm basically doing it old school right now. Call me old school fingers. I don't even know what I'm saying. And I have so much more gratitude to my nail technicians, more than ever, because of COVID. Can you turn this thing on? I lost my assistant has left and I have no fingers. Help, I need somebody. A lot of alcohol is in the making of this video. This is really frustrating. So I think I've gotten, for the most part, all of the color and dip powder off. They were so strong, y'all. I could barely get it off, and I'm kind of at that point where I'm like, it's off enough, you know? So again, this is a tutorial for the normal every girl who doesn't know how to do their nails so fancy. I'm now gonna take a cuticle pusher and I'm gonna push back the cuticles and try to scrub off any excess crap off the nail. I think that's the technical term that you use, crap. And then after that, I'm gonna take a cotton swab and some alcohol and remove the dirt on the nail. Let's get to it.
5 hours later.
So then we do our base on the entire nail. We dip the powder, and there's a tip to dip it in at a 45-degree angle. Then brush off the excess. Dip it again in the base, dip it again in the color, brush off the excess, apply the activator. So we have different ones, 1, 2, 3, etc. So we apply the activator, we file, shape, and buff. Apply the top coat with quick, thin strokes and then let it dry. Milo, didn't you want to say hi to everyone? You're right there, buddy. Say hi. I see you peeking out. You're so cute. So we finished our nails. That was quite the endeavor. I'm not gonna lie and say that it wasn't. I just finished cleaning up the excess around the edges, and I will show you the final look. All right, guys, what did I learn from DIY do-it-yourself nails? That I never want to do it again. That there's a reason I'm in the kitchen and there's a reason you like my recipes, and I need to stick to cooking. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and just know I'll be back to recipes next week. More in the kitchen, less in the nail salon. Drink. I am not a diva at all. Thank you. You can turn it off now.